Hey, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to learn about network scanning and how to use Nmap for just basic scan. What is Nmap? Nmap is network mapping tool which is used to scan the networks. Nmap or Nmap like tools like HPing or any other vulnerability management tool that scans the network is there to map out the network of the infrastructure. We can see the example right now. Let's suppose we have a network of 192.168.1.0/24. So we can see the results that there is no host up except the router host .1 and .225 the broadcast IP. So you can see that there is no services running or an IP alive on this IP block. So we can do a testing scanning on a Nmap site like Nmap scanme.nmap.org. See that Nmap scanned the Nmap official domain. So there are normally three services running: SSH, HTTP, and Elite service on 31337 port. So we can go for HTTP service to look out what is it hosting. So you can see that this is Nmap official website. So that's it for today. I'll see you in next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.